Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on essential data science tools for beginners. In this video, we'll explore the foundational tools you need to kickstart your journey into the fascinating world of data analysis and manipulation. Let's start with Python, a versatile programming language that's widely used in the field of data science. Python offers powerful libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, which are essential for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. For instance, you can use Python to clean and transform datasets, explore data patterns, and create insightful visualizations. Now, let's talk about our language, another powerful tool specifically designed for statistical computing and graphics. R is favored for its robust statistical capabilities and comprehensive libraries like ggplot2 and dplyr. With R, you can conduct advanced statistical analyses and build predictive models, making it a valuable tool for data scientists. Moving on to Excel, a familiar tool for many, but often underestimated in its data analysis capabilities. Excel offers basic statistical functions, pivot tables, and charting tools, making it accessible for beginners to perform simple data analysis tasks. For example, you can use Excel to organize and summarize data, create reports, and conduct basic exploratory data analysis. Now, let's explore Jupyter Notebooks, a popular web-based interactive computing environment for data analysis. Jupyter Notebooks allow you to write, execute, and visualize code in a single document, making it easy to document your data analysis workflow and collaborate with colleagues. You can use Jupyter Notebooks for various data science tasks, such as exploring datasets, training machine learning models, and sharing insights. Next, let's delve into Google Colab, a cloud-based platform that provides free access to notebooks with built-in support for Python libraries and GPU acceleration. Google Colab eliminates the need for local setup and allows you to leverage Google's computational resources, making it convenient for beginners to get started with data science. You can use Google Colab for various data science tasks, such as analyzing datasets, training deep learning models, and collaborating with peers. Now, let's talk about Microsoft Power BI, a business analytics tool that enables users to visualize and share insights from their data. Power BI offers intuitive drag-and-drop interfaces for creating interactive dashboards and reports, making it accessible for non-technical users. It's widely used in organizations for data visualization, business intelligence, and decision-making. Another powerful data visualization tool is Tableau, known for its user-friendly interface and advanced visualization capabilities. Tableau allows users to create interactive dashboards and stories from their data, enabling deeper exploration and analysis. It's used across various industries for data-driven decision-making and storytelling. Finally, let's talk about Kaggle, a platform for data science competitions, datasets, and kernels. Kaggle hosts a vast repository of datasets across various domains, along with code competitions to solve real-world problems. Participating in Kaggle competitions and exploring datasets is a great way for beginners to practice their data science skills and learn from the community. Remember to practice regularly, seek online resources, and stay curious as you explore the exciting field of data science. Thank you for joining us on this journey through essential data science tools for beginners. We hope you found this video helpful in your quest to become a proficient data scientist. Please like and subscribe to our videos.